Hello and welcome everyone to the Gold and Silver Club end of week commodity report, the non-members edition for the 6th of May 2016, presented by myself, Phil Carr at the Gold and Silver Club. So during the end of week commodity report for the closing of the markets on May the 6th, 2016, we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets. We'll provide a wrap up of the week's events. The session will cover a commodity insights, snapshot of the latest developments, our top trade of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies, and of course a weekly market wrap. So an end of week market summary and highlights for the week ahead. So let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is the #1 commodities trading and investment coaching company. We are regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading, as internationally respected experts on our analysis and our opinions on the metals, the energies and the agricultural markets. So routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. So for more information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please feel free to visit our website at www.thegoldensilverclub.com. Now moving over to Commodity Insights, a snapshot of the latest developments in the markets. We've continued to see very strong inflows into the whole commodities complex. Capital inflows into commodities have reached 18.5 billion this year. So we've continued to see very strong inflows even into the close on Friday. The COT reports continue to reflect increased inflows from money managers, investors into the whole commodity spectrum. The entire commodities complex has attracted investors back into commodities at one of the highest levels on record since 2009. Investors have poured 18.5 billion into commodities over the first quarter. So that includes runaway moves on markets such as soybeans, certainly silver, gold, crude oil, coffee. They're among the top performing commodities so far in 2016. We've also seen commodities outperforming returns for equities, bonds and all major currencies in the first quarter of the year. Gold is up 25% year to date, while silver is up 24% year to date. And if you have a look at both metals from the close on Friday, following on from non-farm payrolls, both gold and silver still very close to their 2016 highs. So we'll have a look at the overall price structure of gold, and I'll talk you through that on the chart. So if we have a look at gold, how we closed on Friday, we closed around 1,288 US dollars per ounce after we popped above Thursday's high. So we did get a break. We had a pullback over the course of Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, which is very common ahead of non-farm payroll, especially if you've seen some big moves in the market. So where we broke out to 15-month highs here with gold, where we saw gold breaking up to 1,300 US dollars per ounce, it came up to that key psychological area of resistance earlier on this week, started to rotate lower, but again each pullback in gold has been very shallow over 2016 so far. A lot of the pullbacks have been bought into. The COT reports again have shown us on Friday we've seen significant additional inflows by money managers, investors back into the gold market, which has been very supportive, and ultimately into the close on Friday we have got a strong close again. We've closed back above Thursday's highs here, and we've got the potential, we're not too far away from taking out that swing high again of the 1300s. We've got the potential to yet again breach 1300 as we head into next week, and that's what we'll be paying a lot of attention to, and I would strongly suggest you want to be doing the same. So on gold here, if we were to get additional follow through on Monday and Tuesday or the earlier part of next week, we could start to see this level taken out and buy orders kick in above the 1300s. We've got a major level swing high going back to January 2015, which is at 1,307 US dollars per ounce. If we take out that level, that is where we could really start to see big inflows into this market. You could start to see additional short covering and buy orders will start to kick in, and I would be looking on a breakout in the region of the 1320s to 1330s for the next leg up here on gold if we can take out 1,307 US dollars per ounce. So I'm looking at that very carefully as the next potential leg up here. We've also had what looks to be the beginning of a bull flag formation where we've had a short-term pullback on the market. You can see here we're just got a little short-term pullback, and then we've been bought into again here on gold. I'd just like to to see a little bit more follow through on this. So you can see this bull flag formation starting to develop. If we can, over the beginning of next week, we take out Friday's highs here and we continue the momentum and break above key resistance, gold is definitely one that you want to watch here. You do not want to miss the potential breakout trade that we could have. So watching this market very closely, it does need a little bit more work here for gold to do that. It needs to breach above Friday's highs as we head into next week rather than rotate low. If we see it start to grind lower here, yes, that is becoming more unlikely. We could have a short-term top in the market which will be sitting around the 1300s. But if we can get a little bit more follow through as we head into next week, we could see a nice pop to the upside. So with that, we'll move over to our top trade of the week using the Gold and Silver Club exclusive research-driven strategies. And we had a lovely position on soybeans that we've now come out of for 590 points profit. Soybeans, one of the best performing commodities of 2016. We saw some really solid follow through over the course of this week. Again, broke out to 2016 highs and then came out of that trade just taking some profits prior to non-farm payrolls this week. So that's been a really nice solid trade for 590 points profit. Now, if you would like access to our exclusive live trading ideas ready to implement for instant results, whether you're a new trader, you're looking to develop a solid understanding of the markets and fast track your results, if you're an experienced trader looking to take your trading to the next level, this is also definitely for you. The private members live trading room. As a member of the private members live trading room, you get exclusive access to our weekly live trading room webinars. You get live trade setups ready to implement, real-time trade notifications so you never miss a profitable trade. You get exact details of where we are entering, exiting and placing our stop loss on each trade, live trade setups to help you successfully through each trade, customized technical charts and indicators to really boost your win rate, and exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to give you the ultimate edge in the market, plus of course much more. So to get exclusive access to our private members live trading room, all you need to do is go to www.jointhegoldandsilverclub.com, complete the application form and we'll get in touch with you ASAP. So it's www.jointhegoldandsilverclub.com. You can of course contact us at either our UK office, our US office, our Africa office or our Asia office. Our UK office number is 0207 193 0403. Our US office is +1 646 808 0403. Our Africa office is +27 11 083 8403 and our Asia office is +852 8191 0403. So with that, I wish you a fantastic weekend, good trading, and of course we look forward to working with those of you who will be joining us at the Gold and Silver Club.